Okay, you see how this looks? It looks scary. Don't walk out your house like this. You gotta blend that out. Hi guys, so today I'm back with another video and I'm going to be creating an eye look using this small palette. I really want to use this green color right here, and this is the BH Cosmetics 6th edition second tray to go 6 color eyeshadow palette. That is a lot to say. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. I might dip into the Jackie Aina palette as well for like the browns and the transition colors. My palette looks terrible. I don't know how you guys keep yours like looking nice, but mine looks bad. So what I'm gonna do is start with my eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna prime and everything, and I'll be back. So I said I was gonna prime my eyes, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do my whole face first because I'm on a little time constraint. So I'm gonna start off with this stuff. This is the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. You know, the stuff that I always use. So I usually spray the All Nighter setting spray because for some reason it just really makes my makeup stay on. So I'm gonna spray that. You can use this or the Urban Decay Chill. It looks exactly like this. It just says chill on it. I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit. I need a new sponge. Do you see that? And I'm not cleaning it. Using my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 356 Warm Coconut. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face. You know what you're supposed to do with this stuff. You know what you're supposed to do. Now I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee. I'm gonna put that on these little dark spots right here. Blend that in a bit. And I'm going to use this new brush that I got, Eco Tools. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like this. And it's a concealer blending brush. So let's see how this works. Okay. It's blending. It's doing what it's supposed to. I think I like this. Yeah. Okay. I wish it was a little bit more dense, but it's working, so. And I put the concealer like by my nose because I get that little dark spot around there. I don't know how to explain those things. Like, it's not hyperpigmentation, but it is a little dark, so maybe it is hyperpigmentation. I don't really know. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with another layer of this Maybelline. I want to try new foundation colors, or like new foundations, like different foundations, like different brands of foundations. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. But I don't like looking for the actual color and all of that stuff. I was using Fenty for a little while. First I had the 420 and I felt like it matched, but it was a little too orange for me, so I went back and I got the shade lower than that, and I think it's 410, and it matches, but summer came around and it no longer matched. So I went and I got the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360. It was a little red, but I was able to make it work. And now I'm back to this 356. It's also a little orange-ish, but like I said, I am able to make this work. And what I like to do is between each layer, I like to spray this on. Back to the concealer again to highlight for real this time, like for real, for real. And I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do the sponge on this side and the brush on this side to see if there's any difference. Like on the under eye, it takes way longer with the brush, but I would like to see if there is a difference. Okay, maybe it doesn't take that long. I'm just lazy. I don't like the extra stippling of the bristles, but hey, I'm just gonna take it on my lid just because there's extra product. No specific reason at all. I'm just doing it. So maybe I didn't like it. What? Obviously the sponge picks up more product and it's way easier to blend out. It's faster. So I mean, to me, it looks the same under both eyes. This one clearly has more product because the sponge has picked up some of the product, and the sponge also has foundation, so there's that. I don't care. I'm gonna just do whatever one feels right at the moment, and we're both doing the same thing. I'm gonna spray this again. Now I'm using the Fenty Pro Filter setting powder in the color Honey. I want to show you guys. So I had an old translucent powder thingy, and because I wanted to travel with it and I already had that $30 thing, I was not about to spend $18 for a little mini size, so I poured it in here, you know, and it's just been working so well for me. Let me set the rest of my foundation with this same powder. You just want to be light-handed with this part. You don't have to put as much as you do like for your highlighted area. But I'm gonna blend that out a bit. Yeah. And now I'm going to contour with this Black Radiance pressed powder in the color, what's up? Black Coffee. I definitely forgot to contour my nose, but I did it somewhere later down the line. I don't think it's on camera, but I did do it. Yeah, I'm gonna dust it away. Okay, you see how this looks? It looks scary. Don't walk out your house like this. You gotta blend that out. So the first color I'm going to go into is Ginger from the Jackie Aina palette. And I'm just gonna use that as a transition color. up to my brow bone. So it's gonna go in this type of motion. Why do I do that? I have no idea. So I'm gonna go into edges from the same palette. We're gonna use this green color right here. Put a little sticky base here. Using the Colourpop concealer in the color Dark 40. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, it looks good. I like it. Now, I think I'm gonna take this little gold color right here. So I'm going to use these lashes. And they're called Metro Lashes, and this is the style Riverdale. You can find them on Instagram. I'm pretty sure she has like a summer sale going on, right? Not a summer sale, a fall sale going on right now. And she also has like this October breast cancer thing going on. So if you want to be a part of that, you can go ahead and check it out at Metro Lash NYC. I'll just link it, not link it, but like put a little something like here or there somewhere. I'm going back into that Jaggy Aina palette, and I'm putting Soleil in the corners like so. Okay. What's this? This stuff. This clear gloss is called Extreme Plumper Crystal Clear from Victoria's Secrets. It looks like that. It's a little dingy and stuff, but Hey, that's what I'm using. Let's take this off. And this is the completed look. I really like it. It's super simple. You should try it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and press the little bell to get notifications from me, Nina. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video.